In this clip, we're going to talk about the importance of using trekking poles, or hiking poles as some call them. Now, I recommend that all hikes be used with trekking poles, whether it's a day hike or an overnight hike. Trekking poles are good for many reasons. One of them, it gives you added thrust with weight on your back. As you're moving forward, you're stabilizing your weight and allowing yourself to use your arms as a thrusting method as well. As well, the trekking poles act as stabilizers. Oftentimes you will have a great deal of weight on your back, and at times you may fall, and the pole acts as a catch for you from any direction to keep you from actually falling. In many cases, this can keep you from being seriously harmed. Another good use for trekking poles is resting. Oftentimes, if there's too much weight on your back, you can lean forward and allow these to take the weight off your shoulders for rest. Another good use for a trekking pole is using it to reach for something that's been lost, perhaps, or in another case, is to shoo away wildlife, perhaps snakes, spiders, insects that may be dangerous to you. I highly recommend using trekking poles on all your hiking trips.